Good morning, children. Good morning, Abid, Amin, Advait. Good morning, all of you. Okay, let us continue with our linear equations. Last day I have one or two homework. Did you complete that? Children, did you complete those homework questions? Yes or no? Did I give any homework last day?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you complete? What answer? Yes or no? No response, which means you didn't try, isn't it? Okay. Right, next question. Solve the following linear equation. Solve question number 1. Solve question number 1. 3 into t minus 3. 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. 5 into 2t plus 1. Try to solve. Solve means find the value. Finding the value of t. Finding the value of t. Lynette, what is the last class work? Read the question.
Ma'am, homework, right?
No, class work.
I'm reducing equation to the simpler form.
Question.
Question solve.
Uh,
Ma'am, last question.
Last question. I want the last question.
N by 2 minus 3 n by 4 plus 5 n by 6 is equal to 21.
21. Okay. Okay, here, this one. Solve 3 into t minus 3 equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. Find the value of t. All of you try. It is equal to 3t minus 9 equal to 10t plus 5. Then what is the value of t? 10t. T equal to?
-2.
Negative 2. T equal to negative 2. Because negative 14 t equal to 4. Three t minus 10t equal to 5 plus 9. 14. Negative 70. T equal to negative 2. Next question. Question number 2. Solve y minus 15 into y minus 4. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9. 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. Find the value of y. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 equal to 0.
Can you show the question?
You have some homework questions. Three into five is z minus 7. 3 into 5 is z minus 7. Minus 2 into 9 is z minus 11. 9 is z minus 11 equal to 4 into 8 is z minus 3. 8 is z minus 13. 8 is z minus 13 minus 17. Fourth one, 0.25 into 4f minus 3 equal to 0.05 into 10f. 10f minus 9. Today before 7 o'clock you have to submit all your homework questions, today's homework questions, and if I ask to submit, those children need to submit. Okay? How many of you did last day's homework questions? Raise your hands. Tom Jose, what happened? Why you didn't do?
I got one answer. Second one, I did not got.
Then why didn't ask me? You can send a message that you didn't get. What about others? Abid, Abiram, Edlio, Fadil, Muhammad Salim. Right? Okay, children, okay. Put your hands down. Switch on your videos, all of you. Albert, Navneet, Suryadev, Nadeem, Tamanna. Amaljit, Salim, Pooja, did you also did your homework questions? Ritvik, Abir, huh? Okay. Next one. Next question. These two are homework questions. Okay. Now, fifth question we will do here. X minus 5 by 3. X minus 5 divided by 3 equal to x minus 3 divided by 5. X minus 5 divided by 3 equal to x minus 3 divided by 5. What can we do this? What we will do first?
Ma'am, what is the answer of the second question?
Second question's answer, Lynette. What is the answer of the second one? Value of y.
Is it 2 by 3?
2 by 3, correct. Simple questions on. Just multiply and collect the terms. Okay, fifth question, what can we do? What we will do first? Fifth one, what is the first step? What can we do? Adikesh?
Cross multiply.
Cross multiply these two. So 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. Now you can find the value of x.
Ma'am, in the fourth question, is it F?
F.
Okay, ma'am.
Fifth one, x equal to
Ma'am, is it 8?
8. X equal to 8. 5x minus 25 equal to 3x minus 9. 5x minus 3x equal to minus 9 plus 25 equal to 16. 2x equal to 16, x equal to 8. Question number 6, very important question it is. 3t minus 2, 3t minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3, 2t plus 3 divided by 3. Yes. 2 by 3 minus t. 2 by 3 minus t. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Here what can we do first? Sridev,
We can cross multiply.
well, how can we? By which term? How we will cross multiply here? Here it is subtraction, here also subtraction. So how can we cross multiply? We cannot cross multiplication is this form. A by B equal to C by D. No addition and subtraction in between. Here x minus 5 is a term like our A. X minus 3 is a term like C. B is 3, D is 5. Then you can cross multiply. Here you cannot. It should be, yes.
And can we make the denominator same?
Same, yes. We have to make the denominator same. So what we will make? The denominator is equal to the LCM. LCM of 3 and 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 4?
12.
12. Make the denominators 12. Make the denominators 12. So it will be 3 into 3t minus 2 by 12 by 12 minus 2t plus 3 into 4 or 4 into 2t plus 3 by 12 equal to the other side also
Ma'am, in fifth question, x is 8, right?
8. Other side also you can make the denominator same like 4 8 by 12 minus 12t by 12. So it will be 9t minus 6 minus 8t minus 12, the whole divided by 12 equal to 8 minus 12t by 12. 9t minus 8 is t. Minus 6 plus 12 is plus 6. By 12 equal to 8 minus 12t by 12. So t plus 6 equal to, here you can cross multiply or take 12 to the other side so that it will go. From here itself we can cancel actually. Do you know that? Children, listen, 1 second, listen. T by 4 equal to 3t by 4. If in a term the denominator comes same, we can cancel from here itself. Did you know that? If equal quantity lies on either side of equation, we can cancel. I will show you how it. If we are cross multiplying, what happened? T into 4, 4t equal to 4 into 3t, no? Or 3t equal to 4 into 3t by 4. Here also it will cancel. So if an equal term or equal term lies on either side of equation, we can cancel. Or you can take 12 to the numerator, then also it will go. So 6 plus t plus 6 equal to 8 minus 12t. 13t equal to 2. Not 13, 8. Is it 8 or somewhere we have made mistake? 18 minus 6. Somewhere we have made a mistake. Where it is? 9t minus 6. 9t minus 6 minus 8. T minus 12. Here it is. This is plus. No? 8t plus 3. Okay. So it is 9t minus 8 is t minus 18 by 12 equal to 8 minus 12t by 12. Get cancelled. 13t equal to 26. 13t equal to 26. T equal to. Write and study these questions. Very important questions. T equal to
2.
T equal to 2.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in step 8, t minus 18 by 12 is equal to 8 minus 12t by 12. In that, how did we get 18 there?
18 comes.
Yeah, ma'am, how did it come?
18.
Yes.
18 is negative 6, negative 12. Negative 6,
Plus
negative.
12, right?
Huh?
That is plus 12, right?
Plus. What?
Ma'am, that is positive 12, right? 12.
No, negative. Negative 8, negative 12. While we are removing the bracket.
Okay, ma'am.
So T equal to 2. You have some more homework questions. Solve this. A 7th is homework question. The same way you can do this. X plus 7 equal to. X plus 7 equal to. No, x plus 7 minus x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equal to x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. This is also a homework question. One more question. One more homework. M minus 2, M minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus M minus 2 by 3. Just like previous questions, you can do these two. Okay. Copied?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Next important type of questions. Next question number 1 is 8x minus 3. 8x minus 3 divided by 3x equal to 2. 8x.
Can you show the homework question?
And children, you have to practice writing problems or doing problems fastly. Okay, this year onwards, CBSE changed their question paper for 10th and 12th, drastic change, because usually there are 40 questions for 10th, or either 40 or 37 questions for 10th and 12th question. 12th it is 37, 10th it is 40 questions. Okay, and this year onwards, number of questions increased to 52. Okay, 12 questions more. They added 12 more questions, but time limit is 3 hours. They didn't increase the time and mark. Mark 80 and time 3 hours, but number of questions increased. So what we have to do? What we have to do? When time and mark is remains same, number of questions increased. So what they are expecting you? What CBSE is expecting you for
Do the
doing that?
questions fastly.
For the reason for doing this, CBSE need more faster. You should be more faster in writing exams. Okay, they are preparing you for attending your entrance like NEET, JEE, such exams. You should be very fast. So for making the students faster, CBSE has done this thing. Okay, always CBSE has a cluster with max. They won't give any excuse, any type of leniency in max. Always they will catch the max students. Okay, so you should be very faster while writing your homework, while doing homework also. Try to do in fast. Okay, but you should be careful for not making mistakes also. Okay, you should train yourself by writing fastly. Okay, at that same time, neatness and don't make mistakes also. Neatness is also needed, and mistakes also. You should be very careful for making mistakes. Okay, you should make when I ask you to write 2 times and 3 times, no. Okay, so that time also don't copy, don't just copy from your notebook. Okay, do that in a speed. Once you did a problem, the second time you can do it more faster. So that's why I'm telling you, write. Without writing, how can we improve our speed? Like swimming. Without swimming, if we studied the theory, how can we swim? The same way, the only method for making faster is doing more. Okay, so next question. So now you are in now you are in 8th standard. You have 2 more years to prepare you for that public exam. So what we will do, you can think this year's 10th and 12th. They are last year also they have written 80-mark question in 8th and 9th. This year 10th they have written 80-mark question, 40 questions within a time limit of 3 hours. But along with this pandemic, all these difficulties, all now we cannot see them, we teachers cannot guide them. With all these pandemic problems, CBSE make this drastic change. They added 12 more questions. Okay, so they but you have time. You have 2 more years, 8th standard and 9th standard, to make you more speed. Okay, so write next question. Did I give the question? 8x? 8x minus 3 divided by 3x equal to 2. So here we can cross multiply. Here we can cross multiply. Here the denominator is 1. So 8x minus 3 equal to 6x. 8x minus 3 equal to 6x. Then the answer is? Answer is? Salim, first one's answer. Salim. Suryadev, first one's answer. Pooja, first one's answer is?
Ma'am, 3 by 2.
3 by 2. 3 by 2. Try the next one. Second one.
Ma'am, can you repeat the answer of the first question?
3 by 2. This here also you can cross multiply. 15, it is 15 by 1. Nivedya, second one's answer.
I'm doing.
Edleo, what is second one's answer? Edleo.
I'm doing.
Tom Jones.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Fadil, what answer?
I'm doing.
Irene, what was the answer, Irene?
Ma'am, not finished.
Ma'am, is it 35 by 33?
35 by
33.
yes, correct. Who said this? Isha.
Ma'am, Nivedya.
Nivedya. Okay, Nivedya, correct. Very good. I am always mistaken with this Isha's and Nivedya's sound. They are similar. 35 by 33, correct. Try the third one. How many of you got this 33 by 35? Advait, you got? Amin got, Advait, Fadil, Sridev, okay. Albert, good, good. Okay, Lynette, Lakshmi, good, good. Try the next one. Z by Z plus 15 equal to 4 by 9. Children, next class we will complete this chapter. So next chapter is introduction to graph. So you should be ready with your graph books. Okay? Pen, pencil, scale, graph, everything. One more chapter like this variables and terms, but because we have continuous chapters, linear equation, one variable and algebraic expressions and identities. Since these two chapters are same type, so we will take a break. After that, we will go to factorization. So in between, we can complete graphs. So next chapter is graph. So ready with your graph books. Easy, very easy chapter it is.
Is Z equal to negative 20?
Z equal to negative
20.
third one. Z by Z plus 15 equal to 4 by 9. Z equal to
Ma'am, is it 12?
12. Yes, it is 12. It is 12. Check. Check the answer. 9 is Z equal to 4 is Z plus 4 is Z plus 60. 9 is Z, 5 is Z equal to 60. Is Z equal to 12. Last year, did you study to draw a pie chart? You studied for drawing pie charts? Studied or not? Circle graph pie charts? No? Yes or no? Did you study to draw pie chart, children? Yes or no? No. No. Okay, okay, okay.
Ma'am, in this
Yes.
question, can we write z equal to 4 by 9 into z plus 15?
Z equal to 4 by, yes, yes, why not? Yes, correct. Then 9z equal to 4z plus 16, same thing. 5z equal to 60, z equal to 12. Then also you will get the same. When is your next period, next subject period, not max, next period is at?
140.
Okay, before that you can complete these 4 questions, because after that today itself I will send some more homework questions. So complete these today's 4 questions before your next class. Now itself you sit there and complete it. Okay?
Mm.
This four type of questions, all these questions are very important. So I will send some more problems so that you should be very thorough with solving this type of. Fourth one, 5 into 3y plus 4 equal to negative 2 into 2 minus 6y. So 15y plus 20 equal to negative 4 plus 12y. So y equal to
Ma'am, is it negative 8?
negative 8. Y equal to negative 8. Next one. Seven y plus 4 divided by y plus 2. Y plus 2 equal to negative 4 by 3. 7y plus 4 divided by y plus 2 equal to negative 4 by 3. Sixth one, x plus 1, x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 equal to 3 by 8. All of you take this question number 5 and 6. Take the questions 5 and 6. Our time is up. Now itself do these problems. Don't go from your chair. Sit there itself. Complete it. Okay?
Mm.
All of you copied?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, bye. Bye, all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Study daily portions, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye.